An 11-year-old boy from Vadodara, Anshnayan Shah, has celebrated his birthday in a truly meaningful way. Instead of a traditional celebration, Ansh chose to give back to nature by distributing free plant saplings and encouraging people to protect the environment. Guided by his mother, he planted around 500 seeds of trees like dates, adenium, chiku, almond, and lemon, out of which more than 300 saplings were grown and gifted to citizens and students in his school. Ansh used his own savings, including prize money from exams and gifts he received, to prepare these plants. This is not the first time he has stepped forward for a cause. Earlier, he had donated his savings during a time of the need. Through this initiative, Ansh aims to inspire people to build a greener future and contribute to reducing global warming. Citizens who receive the saplings also promise to take care of them. His effort has been widely appreciated and serves as an inspiring message for everyone.
Our 11-year-old son, today is his birthday. Like, we are creating wealth for our childs and they are also taking so much effort. But the most important part, we have to create the health first. So nature is must, AQI is increasing rapidly, so we need to take care. So he is distributing free sapling which is grown by the seeds. Member of Vadodara Gardening Group, we love the plantation and we take him to the many gardens in the Vadodara, so he loved the nature.
It is my birthday, so instead of distributing chocolates, I distributed the plants because I thought that it is a very pollution-free. It is not a pollution-free nature. Everyone is using two-wheelers, cars, and not using bicycles. So I thought to give the plants. I thought to grow the plants.
What is the reason for that?
Because of the air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. I thought that if I help the environment to be greener again, then.
What is the message for your Gen Z?
I thought that if only the plants can grow, then only the future is possible. Else, due to the global warming, no future is possible.
આનંદાબેન સનનું એક જે બર્થડે ઉપર કેવી રીતે બર્થડે સેલિબ્રેશન કરવાનું એનું આ એક ગ્રેટ ઇનોવેટિવ ઇનિશિયેટિવ છે કે લાઈક ફ્રોમ સો યંગ એજ દે આર ડુઈંગ અ excellent parenting. Like growing a tree or growing a plant is one of the way of life skill. So I will say only a single word. This is an excellent parenting, and they are teaching joy of giving to the child at a very tender age. God bless you to the birthday boy, and it's really a great initiative.